Welcome to another Monday with Monday Coffee by Appfire, where we bring you all of the updates from the Atlassian universe to keep you up to date. So let's get your week started. We'll look at the new experience in Atlassian Analytics, the monthly marketplace partner Skim, a security bulletin published recently, the Atlas AI early access program. We'll go through the weekly events roundup, followed by a survey about AI in Jira, and we'll close it all off with the article of the week, this time picked from the developer blog.
Hi everyone, we are your hosts, Nikki and Biro from Appfire. Appfire helps teams collaborate more effectively with the apps that make work flow.
That was a cool entry.
I did it. A lot of updates to go through, so let's start with the improvements to the Atlassian product. Atlassian Analytics is improving its table charts, making them easier to use and customize. When creating a new chart, you will be able to use the new experience. However, for the existing ones, you need to manually migrate. Keep in mind that some old settings might not transfer due to technicalities, but your data is always saved during the migration. So by September 22nd, all users should manually migrate. So besides of that, what you can expect from a new experience. New features include column sorting directly in the table, pagination, horizontal and vertical scroll, a quick search bar, and the ability to add subtitles to provide a little bit more information about your data. There are also two new tabs, which is formatting and visualization, which offer better customization, like for example heat maps, which is quite exciting.
So I'm curious because they're producing so many changes recently to the analytics platform, were all really good changes. I'm really curious how much of the original Chartio code is still in there.
I'm sure it's going to be a lot.
I'm sure that we're going to have a developer blog talking about that anytime in the future. Right, should we move on to the next bit?
Yes.
In an effort to streamline communication, monthly updates titled Marketplace Partner Skim are now published on the partner portal during the third week for all partners with at least one paid app on Atlassian Marketplace. This month features over 10 topics highlighting the cloud migrations, trial expansion, asynchronous export, API early access, and revamped reporting UI, Oktoberfest submissions, and forthcoming webinars on Forge roadmap and tech partner marketing. So don't miss out. A lot of things have happened. So this August roundup is very important. You should have access. If you have at least one app, one paid app, you should have access to this marketplace Skim, monthly Skim.
It's super useful where there is going to be another Oktoberfest. I should take out my Oktoberfest dress and get ready.
I just had someone point out, Jens from release.so just shared the video from our Oktoberfest with the
one where you look like
a beer. Where I look like a...
Oh, the one you've done with me, because yes. Last year I was doing by myself.
The one that I look like a leprechaun.
Yeah, that was funny. Well, I get my dress out and I will do something again. So let's move to the next one. Last week we talked about the monthly security bulletin and the first issue was just published. So instead of only highlighting critical issues, you can now also read about the high severity vulnerabilities. So in this bulletin, there is a mention of one high severity vulnerability in Confluence discovered through bug bounties, pen testing, and third-party scans. This third-party dependency vulnerability in Confluence affects versions between 7.13.15 and 8.4.1, but it has been addressed in the newer releases, so don't forget to upgrade your Confluence version. And now to the next news. Atlas is introducing AI features to improve your experience and efficiency. The first feature is a short-term update button for Atlas status updates that will help you stay within your 280 characters limit. You can be among the first ones to try it out, so all you need to do is to sign up via this community post.
Can Twitter give me the same AI tool?
But doesn't Twitter give more characters now? Like, you must talk a lot if you don't fit.
Yeah, but it splits into additional.
And you can create threads.
Anyways, this is a really good feature, I would say.
Yes, I was actually talking to the product marketing manager on Teams, and I almost said Summit. I don't know why, and point down. And she was saying that there might be something coming because I was telling her I never fit with my update to the 280 characters because I use too many emojis in my updates.
Right. Anyways, really well thought feature to use AI to slowly introduce AI into Atlas. So really well done. Now moving on to weekly events roundup, and we start with partner organized events. Gestión de Cambios en Jira. This is an event in Spanish. On Wednesday, August 23rd, dive into Jira Service Management's functionalities for change management, discover its purpose, objectives in ITIL, and its relation to incident management, problem management, service request, and DevOps practices. And the second one, Agile Marketing, an innovative approach for the success of your business. On Thursday, 24th of August, join Hertzum for an online session, Revolutionize Marketing with Agile Marketing, inspired by Agile software development. Learn about its benefits in today's business landscape, offering flexibility and outstanding results. And now, for this week's ACE events, here's a sample of what you can attend. Let's team up. Atlassian Community Cologne in Cologne, Germany, August 23rd, calling all Atlassian enthusiasts in Cologne for an evening focused on the Atlassian universe, complemented by Kolsch, beer and pizza. This event, supported by Atlassian and the Catworks, promises an enlightening evening. Don't miss out. Book your free tickets now. And then the second one to mention, integrating Atlassian with Workato. This is a Mumbai ACE event on August 26th. Dive into the tech world with this collaborative developer meetup hosted alongside the Workato community. Engage in tech sessions, network, and have fun. A great opportunity to connect with Workato and Atlassian developers and gather insights to frame your broader tech vision. And that's it. Navigate to Goosely for all of these events. We don't have any Atlassian events.
No barbecue this week?
There is barbecue.
There is barbecue. Okay, find a barbecue event.
I don't think there's one week that I don't scan through all of the events and I don't see BBQ, barbecue.
Well, let's have a look at one more news before we go to the article of the week. As Atlassian is working on adding AI to its products, they want to understand your thoughts on AI and its role in your Jira workflows. So if you have just 5 minutes spare, fill out the survey in this community post and it will really help Atlassian to understand a little bit more about what you're looking for.
Ooh, I need to fill it as well because I have some wild ideas about AI in work management.
Check the link. I already filled mine and it's very, very short. So.
You did. It's short? Your lack of inspiration?
No, it's like short survey, but there are free form text so you can expand if you would like.
I thought you didn't have that many ideas, which would be surprising. All right, let's move on to the article of the week. This week we have an article from the developer blog highlighting the incredibly fast growing in popularity partner called Onward. In just 2 months, Onward successfully launched its app in the Atlassian marketplace, leveraging the Forge platform. With a background in app development for platforms like Salesforce and Google Cloud, Onward aims to enhance workforce engagement. Despite facing challenges with Forge single developer environment and storage limitation, the global team remained undeterred. They introduced On Rewards, a recognition and reward management system for service teams. With a promising roadmap ahead, Onward showcases innovation and rapid development in the tech landscape. So read their full story on the article mentioned. I'm sure we all have a thing or two to learn from this very fast growing partner. And that's it.
It's really impressive to launch the app. Just 2 months, 3 months?
2 months.
2 months. And they already have two apps in the Atlassian marketplace. I was checking. Well done. Well, good article, definitely read it. Thank you so much for joining us for Monday Coffee with Appfire. I hope that you enjoyed the latest and greatest from the Atlassian community. And not to miss on the next one, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Monday Coffee by Appfire, and you also follow us on LinkedIn under the Jexo account. Okay, once again. That was too cool. Woo! Okay, well, so... Anyways, this third-party dependency vulnerability in Confluence affects versions between 7.13.15 and 8.4.1, but it has been... I'm not supposed to laugh when you do this.
You were like, no point. You didn't point it out that we're dressed the same.
I think everyone noticed when we had our cool intro.
So.
If anyone noticed, Biro done the article of the week after like a year, probably.
Sure.
Okay. See you in the next one.
Where's my sunglasses?